everybody, Cheddar Popcorn here, and today I'm here with White Tiger 1230 and LPS Lover Pie, and this girl named Honeycomb 12, I have no clue who it is. But anyway, we are going to be doing the 3 a.m. challenge, and we're going to go to the Summer Carnival first. So, yeah. I'm here with LPS Lover Pie and White Tiger 1230. I already said that. So, yeah, I'm just walking around here. So, let's go. Okay, we are here right now, and we're going to see if we can find some glitches. I heard that you could climb up on this thing right there, and, yeah. So, okay, I'll walk around here, see if I can find anything. Okay, White Tiger 1230 still sitting there. Okay, let's try to climb up this thing again. I don't really know how people do it, but okay. Wait, what the heck? Why is this person jumping still? I don't get this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it for ourselves here. See if it'll work for us. Okay, we're going up the steps. Jumping, 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 jumping. Side. Whoa.
That's like a very big glitch.
Yeah, this is my cousin White Tiger 1230.
Hello. Hide.
Okay, so why haven't I seen this ticket booth thingy? Did it just open or something?
I don't know. I haven't really paid any attention to it. It might have, but the plushie store opened.
Yeah. Okay. There's LPS Lover Pie. Okay, they said what are my musketeers boots worth? See if we can find any more glitches. Okay, this person is still jumping. I don't get this.
I'm sorry, I'm on my tablet. That's why it's making those
Oh,
sounds.
I haven't even seen these little benches over here. Oh, they're adorable. So, let's... I don't know why you won't let me go up on there, because, like, I watched this video, I can't really pronounce the person's name, but they actually got up there and started, like, dancing and stuff. Okay, this person's still jumping. I don't... trade request. No.
I'm surprised that the salesman is gone.
He was there for a few hours.
Good while.
Still can't climb up this thing. I'm just gonna pause this and see how they got up here, so yeah. Okay, so I really couldn't find out how they did it, but I can't really seem to find any more glitches, so yeah. I just don't really know how they got up here and stuff. Yeah. You know what? Let's just go to Jamaa Township. How about that? Yeah. Let's go there. Okay, we're at Jamaa and see if we can find any glitches or anything. Okay. Nope, not really. Please trade me flower crown. No. I'm sorry.
I don't have a flower crown, so I'm very sorry.
You gave me a flower crown, and I'm the happiest person in the world. Okay, so I can't seem to be finding any glitches or weird odd things happening, so... Okay. Oh, where is he? They're probably talking about the salesman. He was right over there. Okay, let's go back to the summer carnival. Okay, children, we are back at the summer carnival. Let's check and see if there's any more glitches here. Oh, the jumping person's not there anymore.
That's sad.
Let's check here. Okay, we're zooming in. Oh my gosh, somebody just went down that slide and they were sleeping.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember seeing that.
That is so weird.
That is pretty weird.
Okay, let's try that. I don't get how it's glitching for other people. Yep, nothing. So, just, yay! It's glitching! It's glitching! Just kidding. Okay, let's walk around here. LPS Lover Pie. I'm hoping that some of the stores will open during the summer. I'm sure they will and stuff, but and you never know. They might stay closed forever. So, okay. You know what? Let's just make some cotton candy while we're waiting. Okay, let's try to make the phantom one. You get like a white cone and then you get the black, and you throw it in right there. Yeah. Okay, let's get the white. No, not orange. White, yes. Thur. I meant stir. Okay. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, let's get more black. Yummy.
Why'd I go to this?
Okay.
I didn't go to that.
I don't know why, but for some reason it keeps logging me out of the summer carnival. Like, I keep going out of the summer carnival every time I like do a game or maybe get cotton candy, for instance, or something like that. We could count that as a glitch, I guess. So,
ooh, I keep getting cold.
I guess that's about it for this video. And I mean, we tried to climb up that thing, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.